Hello, and welcome for Football and Pidgin. After match talk am how you see am. Arsenal 3 and Liverpool 2. And we get Stashi will be very old, bonge football fan. Make can tell us about how you see this game. Okay, Stashi, we know that for recent years, if Arsenal won't play Liverpool, many people are talking saying a walkover for Liverpool. Liverpool already win. But what do you see from this Arsenal performance today and Liverpool performance for inside this match?
In fact, if I start to talk, the talk not go finish. You understand? Because personally, from what I observe, normally if we call watch Arsenal Liverpool match, what you would expect normally in a walkover from Liverpool, you understand? Say Liverpool don't win the match. But from the observation today, you see and say Arsenal, they're ready for this season. With their performance today, in fact, I don't know what I want to talk about Arsenal again today because they really deliver well. They played over my expectations on them, you understand? So, and kudos to Arsenal. They play very well, you understand?
So, but make I ask you about Liverpool now. What do you think will be Liverpool problem this season?
Hey, I'm not going to lie for you. Personally, I never really watch Liverpool matches. A lot of Liverpool matches lately. But for me, I feel say that Mane, na very very critical person wey be say comot from that team because if you observe as Salah no dey fit dey play ball again. People dey talk the word things but me I dey dab them say Salah no dey fit play, Salah no dey fit play, but from the match wey I watch today, from my observation, I see am say Mane na very very critical player for Liverpool team, and since Mane comot from Liverpool, Liverpool never fit get that balance when they lose, you understand? So for me, I feel the major problem of Liverpool team na Mane wey comot for the team.
So, but with what you see for Liverpool this season, you think say Liverpool go fit battle for all the competitions the way they battle for all the competitions last season?
I know they see Liverpool to battle for competition this season though, because the normal Liverpool we know from beginning of the season, even if they win the flop, small flop whether they flop, you see they see and say Liverpool now still team where they say they get force, normally they get pressure, they deliver. But since the season starts, Liverpool never give us that impression. Since so for me, I don't see Liverpool to be title contenders and also top 4 positions in the shake for Liverpool. You understand? So for me, I don't see Liverpool at all say they go fit contend for all the competitions this season.
So, but make I ask you about Arsenal now. Many people they talk before say Arsenal never play big team. Once they play big team, they go flop. They play Man U win them. People come and say, okay, now old Arsenal be this big team don't for their hand. They can't play Tottenham, they can't win Tottenham, they can't play Liverpool now. They don't win Liverpool. What do you see for this Arsenal team? You think say they go fit contend for the Premier League title this season?
First and foremost, me I be Chelsea fan. As everybody know normally, you understand. I dey fear if I talk, I must talk the truth.
Yes.
I dey fear to play Arsenal currently because I don't know what will happen if Arsenal meet Chelsea now for this our current form where we did, because we still dey shake too if you observe. Undermine the fact that we don't play 2 matches straight now, we don't win our 3 matches, sorry, and we don't win our 3 matches straight. But I still dey fear Arsenal because we never stable. Because the kind of force where Arsenal take come here, even that match where they go play with Man City, where they fear to play Man City, they fit even go win Man City. Undermining the fact that Man City get better pressure. Because Man City not be a more team. You understand? Man City not be a more team. For the world now, if I want to rate team, before I go call 3 teams, we go call Man City name. Then I Man City not be number 1. You understand? So Arsenal, for me, I see Arsenal the pressure where they get here. Any kind of team where they meet now, now beat team for the team, you understand? And I know they would fear. Even if I would play tickets, sleep, and then they fear to carry Arsenal straight to win. Based on the kind of performance when they see when they watch their match, you understand? Normally before Arsenal don't they play good football, but I feel that their major problem now for that front line. But since Gabriel Jesus come the team, you see and say now boy where they say one fight. Gabriel Jesus come be like player where they say they're the cage normally for Man City. Because since he come Arsenal, he dey do things so not they do before. You understand? He dey hold ball, he dey dribble, and the confidence level at top notch. You understand? So for me, I see Arsenal to be strong contenders this season. And any team where they meet, even if they don't even beat the team, say maybe na Man City they meet, they go still feel the heat normally say na team they play. You understand? So that's my take on the whole issue.
Okay, but may I ask you now, with what you see this season, which teams you go to predict with the matches that don't play, this form where you see the team's playing style, which teams you predict say go finish top 4 by the end of the season?
top four. That one go hard because this season, everybody they see the shake for the season. The only two teams one I don't observe currently for the league say that this table now be Man City and Arsenal first, top two. You understand? Then the remaining two positions for that top four, that's the third and fourth. It go hard. But as a Chelsea fan, my team, I must say my team go dey top four. You understand? I must say my team must dey top four. Then at that number 4 position now, so now we not gonna know whether na Liverpool, whether na Newcastle, whether na Tottenham, even Brighton self they win the battle for the. You understand? So it not go easy for me. Arsenal, Man City, Arsenal, Chelsea. Then that fourth, I don't know how to give. I'm not gonna lie for years, so they go battle and I must give my team third. You understand? So that'll be my take for the issue.
All right, now, Stashi, thank you for your time. Your first through.